Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we're going to do a giveaway. We're doing another giveaway. Yes, we're doing one right now, but we're going to do another one. This one I've been wanting to do for a while. I've been wanting to do this for quite a bit. So the one we're doing currently, I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed to the channel, that's been tuning in, watching the videos, following along, all that good stuff. I really appreciate your support, guys. I really do. It means a lot. It does. It means a lot. So we're doing a giveaway this time around again on something here. We're going to do a build series / giveaway on the 69 Pontiac GTO from our friends from Revell. Yes, sir. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a unboxing, basically start to finish, all the way from primering it to polishing it to boxing up and sending it to some lucky winner's doorstep. That's what we're going to do with this. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this for a bit. Kicked the idea around for a while and picked up this kit, and I thought this would be a great one to give away. You can't go wrong with a Pontiac GTO, right? So this is the color we're going to do. I like the orange. We're going to do it in the orange color, probably with the white interior. I was going to do black, but you know, it's kind of like that scapegoat black interior where it's just, it's easy to do. Looks good, but I think the white will look cool. So that's what we're going to do with this. Like I say, we're going to do a complete series on this. I don't know how many videos it's going to take, and I'm going to work this in amongst other videos, so it's not going to be a start to finish basically, because I have a few group builds I got to get done. Because like I mentioned many times before, I put the pro in procrastination, so that is me. Other than that, like I say, we're going to do a quick unboxing just to show you what the kit comes with and how we're starting it, that it is a new kit. It's not something I already had half built. We just got to paint the body and there you go. You know, it's nothing like that. After doing the rust bucket truck, I got to get something shiny going here. You know, something to make it look, you know, pretty. Yeah, that's just the way I usually do my stuff. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a giveaway on this and all that good stuff. So like I say, we're going to do probably towards the end of the build, I'm going to basically do some kind of giveaway on it, kind of like I'm doing now with the number thing. I know there's some new ways guys are doing, but I don't know, it's just easier for me at this point until I figure out something else I could do for a giveaway or some kind of contest. So we're just going to do the number thing like we're currently doing. Once the car gets almost built, I'll put a video up maybe towards the last video of the car. So if you guys see the car and you're interested in it, and it's something that you guys would like to have, then go ahead and jump in on it and we'll go from there. So at this point, we're going to take you over the bench and let's take a look at it and see what we're going to start with and get this thing going. Okay guys, doing a quick unboxing. Like I said, I've opened this up before, so we're just going to do a quick, this is what you get. So we got our instructions. Like I say, this is a pretty basic kit. There's nothing magic about this. It's just a basic builder. There's not a lot of parts in it, so it shouldn't take too long to slap her together. We're gonna pretty much keep the stock. I'm not gonna do plug wires and, you know, all this magic stuff to it. It's just gonna be a box stock build. Two reasons: A, one for time, and B, the other, when I ship it to somebody, I want a bunch of stuff breaking off or falling off or anything like that. So we're just gonna keep it basic, simple, to the point, and all that good stuff. So this is what we get, and when I do box this up, you'll get the box, the instructions, everything that you see here today, everything that the box, the kit comes with, that'll all go to you as well. So I will be shipping it in its original box and going from there. So we have our cool looking GTO body. Like I say, this is really clean. So we got a nice mold line here. We're going to sand that out of there before we get started. I got another one there. Other than that, the rest of the body looks pretty sharp. We got some just a little bit of edging here that needs to come off, all that kind of stuff. And we've got a steering shaft, the intermediate shaft, that's kind of cool. We'll test fit the chrome pieces, the bumpers, make sure everything fits good. Like I say, we got a little flash that's got to come off. Not a big deal. All right, it's trivia time. Let's test your knowledge on the Pontiac GTO Judge. Out of the 72,287 units produced in 1969, how many of these were convertibles? Was it A, 101, B, 108, C, 117, or was it D, 126 units? The answer coming up shortly. Now, let's get back to the video. So first piece in the box here, we got our interior tub, our rear spoiler, dash, few engine pieces, exhaust, all that good hoo-ha. We got some plain Jane tires. These are some thinny minis here. I'm sure they're probably the old bias ply or something like that. And we got our chassis, rolling chassis itself. So they give us some parts in the middle here. So we got a radiator hose and a shroud. Looks like the old school GM two-piece shroud. So I see we got some massive warpage going on here. Hopefully it won't be a big deal. We can tidy that up once we get going on it. We got our glass, and we got our chrome. So not much chrome in it, basically just the rear bumper, your bumper inserts, and some of our Pontiac rallies. And we have our hood. Looks like intake for the engine. And we got that cool looking nose piece. So all that good stuff. What else we got here? Last piece we got is our engine and some interior. So like I say, not a lot of pieces in this kit. Just enough to make it dangerous. I don't know how many pieces are in this kit. Okay, so total parts in this kit is 63. So very low parts count. Yeah, not too bad. Answer time for our trivia question. How many Judge convertibles were built in 1969? If you answered B, 108, you are today's winner. Thanks for playing, and let's get back to the rest of the video. Alright guys, back at the finalizing this here. Basically just gotta look at the instructions. So like I said, we're gonna do this in white interior. We'll do the Pontiac blue engine and all that good stuff. So let's take a look at these cool, sweet decals we get in this. Yes, sir. Those are some nice looking decals. Very nice. Very nice. So we have our ram air for the hood, our decals for the side. We got some cool looking 1969 Michigan license plates. And we got some Firestone white lettered tires we can put on there. Some wide ovals. And that's kind of cool. They give you a seatbelt decals. So very cool. I got some center caps for our Pontiac Motor Division there. Pretty neat for our rallies. So this looks like there'll be a pretty nice builder. Pretty good. So yes sir. So like I say, next video we're going to get started on this. Thought we'd get this one out there, get it rolling, and see kind of where it goes from there. Alright guys, short and sweet, and I appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out the channel. This model kit came from Hobby Nut Models, so if you're looking for one yourself, go down and check out his website and see what he has available for stock, and pick up some of that sweet, fine MCW paint. Love that stuff. Alright guys, we'll see you next video, and thanks for watching. Look out for future upcoming videos on this build, and like I say, this is going to be a giveaway car, so we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Have a good one.